Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to export to CCITT 8KHz 8-bit mono U-Law WAV file in Audacity. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Audacity app on your PC. Once the application launches, direct your attention to the top of the screen where you'll see various menu options. Click on Audio Setup at the top, and from the drop-down that appears, select Audio Settings. This will open a new window where you can configure your project's audio specifications. In the Audio Settings window, look for the option labeled Project Sample Rate. This setting determines the number of audio samples processed per second, which directly affects your audio quality and file compatibility. Click the drop-down menu right beside Project Sample Rate and select 8000 Hz from the list. This specific sample rate is essential for creating a CCITT-compliant audio file. Once you've made this selection, click OK to apply the changes and close the settings window. Now you'll need to prepare your audio for export. Double-click on the audio waveform in your project to select all of it. This ensures that your entire recording will be processed in the next step. After selecting your audio, click on Tracks at the top menu bar. Hover your mouse over the Mix option, and from the submenu that appears, select Mix Stereo down to Mono. This step is crucial because CCITT format requires mono audio rather than stereo, so you're essentially combining both channels into a single mono track. With your audio now properly configured, it's time to export your file. In the upper left corner of the screen, click on File, then select Export Audio from the drop-down menu. A new window will appear with export options. Click on Export to Computer to proceed with saving your file locally. At the top of the export window, you'll see a field where you can rename your file. Go ahead and enter your preferred file name here. If you'd like to save the file in a different location than the default folder, click the Browse button to navigate to your desired destination folder. Below the file name field, you'll see an option labeled Format. This is where you'll specify the exact file type for your export. Click the drop-down menu right beside Format and select WAV Microsoft from the list of available options. This ensures your audio will be saved in the correct WAV format compatible with CCITT standards. Finally, click the Export button to begin the export process. Audacity will now process your audio and save it as an 8KHz mono WAV file in your chosen location. You've now successfully created a CCITT-compliant audio file in Audacity. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.